So hey Grant, so what's your first impression of using a welding robot?
It was a whole lot different. It was almost the craziest thing I've ever seen. I didn't know that you could just almost like playing a video game, moving it around with the joystick and everything like that. I was impressed when I first saw it.
Cool. So how does it compare to manual welding?
I think it's a whole lot faster and a whole lot cleaner than manual welding.
It's good. So do you prefer welding with the SWR or manually?
SWR, yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so now that you're familiar with the robot, how do you feel about using it?
When I first started, it was a learning curve, but once Alex and Josh, you showed me how to do it, it's a whole lot easier now.
Great. So then, how was your experience training with us?
Oh, it was good. It's very good. I was surprised whenever y'all were able to send somebody down from Canada to Texas within a snap of a finger over a phone call. I thought that was really good.
So then, how do you feel about the support from Novard?
I really like it. I think everybody's pretty helpful, really nice.
Cool. All right, and then any other feedback or comments for us?
Nothing I can think of.
Great, thank you.
Sir.